Okay, here we are at a 24-inch diameter loblolly pine, about 95 feet tall. That's damaging some plumbing coming out of the house to the sewer. And Melina here is about to go up, and Garrett is going to help him take it down. How many feet of boom do you have?
Right now I have 80 foot out.
80 foot.
I'm good. I got 100 foot total.
100 foot to work with, okay.
At this point I'm 13 feet away from the ball.
13 feet away from the tree?
From the ball.
How much can you pick?
Right there I'm good for 13,000 pounds.
Good for 13,000 pounds. Okay, how much do you think you're going to pick at a time per pick?
We're estimating around 3.
Around 3,000? Okay. And after they pick it, he will sit it. He'll swing it right around here. And they will grab it with the bobcat, put the logs in the truck, and chip the branches. So you see Melina is tied in to a hook above the ball. And Garrett's going to line him up when he's ready. Take him up into the top of the tree.